We are starting recording our class right now, and still we have let's start, guys. Good evening to all. I wish, as I said from 1 minute back or 2 minutes back, that I am face-to-face class to see all of you. It's more effective. But anyway, welcome to MMUP Engineers Registration Exam Preparation course. This course, guys, today I am already sent in our WhatsApp group. I sent our old schedule and what's the meeting number or link. This is the meeting ID. Guys, you already have to check everything before you are joining. Yes, already. Everything in the WhatsApp. Please try to join with a link in the WhatsApp. And I sent already now in our WhatsApp. All of you, please check in WhatsApp. We are already topics and hours and the schedule for all our classes. This class, it will be introduction, and next class it will be 18th of May. And everything already in our schedule and plan for the class content and everything on the showing in WhatsApp right now. Today, guys, we are going to discuss about what is MMUP Engineering Registration Exam look like. And start date today is our introduction, and we have why there is MMUP exam and what is the method or the plan or the strategy to get the exam done from the first attempt. Second, how you are going to do it. These three questions we are going to discuss about them right now today. All of us, we are going to have blank paper and pencil right now beside you. Blank paper and pencil. We are going to write a lot and we are going to do a lot today. Aside of this one, there still are 5 numbers questions. We are going to talk about them soon, very soon. A lot of questions, guys, I believe in your head right now. I put myself in everyone's shoes. Why? Because in 2014, I already have this exam. And when I'm going to attempt the exam, class is already scheduled, I ask myself, what's this type of exam? How I'm going to study? What I'm going to study? Actually, it's confusion a lot before, but right now, there is a lot of materials online, there is classes, yes, there is Green International. Anyway, we are going to discuss how. Course prepared by myself. I am Engineer Yasser Met'ab. I am BMB certified, and I am civil engineer since 1987, Alexandria University in Egypt. And I am working as a planning and cost control manager. This is the last job. Now I am owning my own company, a small contracting company. I am working in my own company, everything. I am BMB certified since 2017 and Quality Management System ISO 9000-2015 as auditor, certified by ARICA since 2016, and lead green associated since 2015, and I am UPDA grade A since 2014. Okay, guys, let us go for our January. All of us now can see the screen and hear my voice. Please, if anything, if you have any problem, just text to me in the chat, and so I can adjust. Everything is clear, everything is okay, we will carry on. I am just, from time to time, I'm going to stay taking care of all the communication methods we are in our class. First, guys, UPDA General, yes, Green, answer me these questions first, please. I told you, all of you have a lot of questions in your heads right now. Or otherwise, why you are here? Why you are here in the class, in the online class? Okay, we have a lot of questions now. What is UPDA stand for? The first one. Second questions, we are, what is UPDA for? Okay. Third is, why there is UPDA? Very nice. Fourth is, what is your competency? Fifth, what is the strategy to be UPDA certified? I believe if we are going to discuss today about 3 questions in the first slide, and we have 5 questions right now, and I am going to try to put you in the mood of the exam. Mood exam. What type of exam? All of us, we are going to conduct an exam for 1 hour. 1 hour exam. Total number of questions, guys, please try to SMS me how many questions we are going to have in our exam. I am asking all of you, try to send SMS in the WhatsApp, in the chat here. How many questions? All of you. Did anyone? Okay, very good. 27, very good. We have 27 numbers questions in our exam. Okay, very good. 27, 27. Okay. Did anyone of all of you ask him? No, it's not 20. 27 number question. Anyone of you ask himself, what is the answering rate? What is the answering rate of this our exam? What is the answering rate now? Please send it to me. What is the answering rate? Answering rate. You are going to, no idea. The answering rate is 2 minutes 13 seconds. 2 minutes 13 seconds. What does it mean? It's a lot of meaning in this one. Let us slowly. I am just prepare yourself emotionally to the exam. Okay, I know it's online classes, but as well, I will do as much as I can. Okay, what is UPDA stand for? Let us have it. First one. What is UPDA stand for? Stand for what, guys? Stand urban planning. Stand for urban planning and developing authority. Okay. Some guys, they are telling MMUP. Some guys, they are telling UPDA. Whatever, both of them. Why we are in urban planning and developing authorities? Okay. Why? Why we are here? Why we are here? Why we are in urban planning and developing authority? Why we are in municipality? Why? Why we are should be registered in municipal? Why? I will tell you why. What is urban planning? Urban planning here, it's any country in all over the world. When they are having and developing themselves, developing itself, they have vision. Very good. Any country under developing stage, they should have vision. Okay. Now, what does it mean, vision? If we have vision without plan, it's just a dream. But if we are having a vision, we should have plan. Where we are exactly? We are in the plan or we are in the vision? We are engineers, civil engineers. We are in the vision or we are in the plan? Answer me, guys, please. Tell me, we are in the vision or we are in the plan? I am asking all of you. Answer me, please. In the plan. Perfect. No, we are not in the vision. The vision, it's executed by engineers. The vision, we are in the plan. Okay, we are in the plan. Very good. We are, it's not in the vision. Vision is developing the country. You know, we can count doctors, dentists, teachers, a lot of disciplines. But anyway, we are in the plan. Why we are in the plan? Why we are in the plan? Ask yourself why we are in Qatar here in the vision plan. As I told you, vision without a plan is just a dream. A plan without a vision is just a drudgery without working hard for nothing, but a vision with a plan can change the world. Qatar changed a lot through the last 10 years ago. Very good. We are in the plan. I will tell you where exactly. I will tell you where exactly. Hello. What is UPDA for? Hello. Let us go, guys, to the second one. What is UPDA for? Is to determine if you, he or she have the competency to work in Qatar as an engineer and have question mark. Please choose the correct answer below. All of us now, we are going to choose answer from A, engineering knowledge and education, experiences, soft skills, ethics, all above. Tell me what is the answer. If all of you answer this question correct, we are invited for 5-star hotel after the class for dinner. E, I told you. I told you guys. I told you. What is the answer, please? What is the answer, please? A lot of engineers. E. What is the answer? Okay. Again, guys, try to think logically and engineering sense. Let us use from now. Let us start from now. Enhance our engineering sense. Enhance our engineering sense. Yes, E. Oh, wow, E. Wrong answer. E is wrong answer, guys. E is wrong. E is wrong answer. Unfortunately, yes, A. The answer is A. Is, please choose the correct answer below. Engineering, knowledge, and education. Why, guys? Why is not all? Okay. You already have 30 years experience and you are going to attempt your exam. And another engineer have 20 years experience and he will going to attempt the exam. Third one, he's just fresh graduated from his college, university, civil engineering university, and he will going to have the exam. Means what? Means engineering knowledge and education. Okay, so what about experience? Experience, this one, it will depend, it will be in your card as grade A, grade B, grade C, depend on how many years experience already and should be attested. Okay, very good. That's meaning now. Why we have, what is the UPDA for? UPDA for is engineering, knowledge, and education. They are examine us in these areas only. We have 27 number questions and 60 minutes. The rate of answer is 2 minutes answer. What type of questions we are going to see? What type of exams we are going to see? We have exams you are going to attempt. Okay, the answer is A. Use your logic and your engineering sense. Guys, from now, we have to enhance our engineering sense. I understand that we are far away. We have some engineers here, they are senior, junior, and in the middle, and moderate, whatever. So we have what? Using our engine. We are just far away from studying days. Okay, that's why. How we are going to study? This is what I am going to do for you. This, I am going to put your foot on how you are going to study, how you are going to gain the success from the first attempt. This is my responsibility and rule. I'm going to coach all of you. Right. Again, use your logic and your engineering sense. Let us go for the second one. Use your logic and your engineering sense to answer this. The second question, please. Let me see the logic what we have. Fact number 1, humans are mammals. Fact number 2, some humans are engineers. Fact number 3, engineers build houses. all of them facts. If the above statements are facts, which of the following can be logically inferred? Okay. All mammals build houses. Engineers are mammals. Some humans are not engineers. Tell me what is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? This is not from our exam, guys, but I am just make it a for fun and to prepare our mind, how we are going to make our classes and how I am going to, what is my vision about the exam and how this exam I'm going to attend the exam and pass from the first try. Let us see. The answer is B. The answer is B. We have some or mammals or the answer is B. Correct, guys. The answer is B. The answer is B. The answer B, what? Engineers are mammals. Some humans are not engineers. This is the correct answer. This is the correct statement. Number 3 is the correct answer. Guys, try to understand that our exam is very easy, tricky, and simple. Too simple. By some doing effort, you are going to do some effort. Some practice makes perfect. We are going to attend this exam and get the exam done from first try. You will see. Okay, very good. Use always, I am telling you, use your logic and your engineering sense to answer this one. Always from now on until our exam done, use your engineering sense and enhance your engineering sense. Soon or later, you are going to be enhanced by force. I'm going to give you exercise, a lot of exercise. Don't worry, you are going to be in the mood of the exam soon. Right. Let us go for the answer is B. Why there is UPDA? Again, why is there UPDA? Because Qatar have, we discussed about this one, Qatar have what? Qatar have to comply with Qatar visions, to comply. Where we are exactly in the plan. What type of plan? What type of plan? I am telling you, quality assurance plan. Quality assurance plan. We are in the quality assurance plan. They are taking all the measures to make that all the engineers working in the Qatar here, they are civil engineers. They have competencies, not only civil engineers, but have competence to work as. Why? Save money, effort, money, safety issues, a lot of in design, in execution, in safety. We have to maintain high quality for their vision. We have to give them what they need from the first time. Okay, so Qatar have visions. How many visions in Qatar here? How many visions in Qatar here? Let us see. How many visions? Type it, guys. Type it. Tell me. How many visions in Qatar? How many visions? Let us see. World Cup? And I want to see. Guys, please type it. Type it. Type it. Hello, guys. Yeah. How many visions? Please, if you are hearing me or not. Okay, very good. I received. Vision 2030. This is Vision 2030. Very, very good. Very good. We have 2030. What about 2022? What about 2022? I am asking all of you, what about 2022? What about Qatar deserves the best? I want to discuss with all of you about 2022. It's a vision. I'm asking you, it's a vision or event? Event. It's event, Qatar. But no, it's not, but it's an event. Yes, it's an event. Guys, Qatar 2022, it's an event. An event. It's not in the vision. It will be 1 month or whatever, how many days and finish an event. But Qatar have vision. FIFA 2022 is an event. But Qatar have two visions. Qatar deserves the best and 2030. This is the two visions Qatar they have. 2022, it's an event. Qatar deserves the best, and the Qatar Vision 2030. This is we are in the quality assurance plan to make sure that we are doing the job first time, saving time, money, and for safety. Safety for workers, for ourselves, for everybody working in any project. We are the engineers part of the plan implementation. What is your competency? What is your competency? You have to ask yourself, I am civil engineer. When I introduce myself to all of you, I told you I am civil engineer since 1987. You need to prove it. You need to prove it. What's your designation right now? Forget about if you are a project manager, if you are QC manager, if you are quality control manager, if you are estimation manager, if you are planning and cost control manager, you are construction manager, you are project engineer. Forget about this designation now. You are civil engineer now. Civil engineer now. From now on, you are civil engineer now. So we have what? We have 20 number questions. Rate of each question is 2 minutes 13 seconds, and you have 14 questions your score. If you score 14 over 27 correct, you already get your A card. You get your registration card. Finish. You take your BAS exam. 14 over 27. See, guys, it's an easy job, but we need to work smart, to study smart, to study smart. How you are going to study smart? This is my responsibility and my rules to do. Okay, now, what is a strategy? Okay, you have to think about it. You have to think about it. What is a strategy to be UPDA certified and prove your competency? Okay, so we have, this is the questions right now. How you will pass the exam from first attempt. Okay, Green International through Yasser Ibrahim, he will give you some help, some training program, coaching you, a lot of help, a lot of practice makes perfect, but you have your own responsibility, your own assignment, and I have my own assignment, and you have your own assignment. So now, what is the Green International? Well, coaching you how by yourself to be in the exam. This is very, very important. How you are going to manage the 60-minute exam, 60-minute exam time. How you are going to manage it? I'm going to tell you how. Slowly, once we start our classes, I'm going to tell you what you are going to do. We have a lot of things to do together. Coaching you how by yourself to be in the exam mode. This is very important. Number 2, through emotional intelligence technique, you will love what are you doing. This is very important. When you are studying, don't force yourself to study. Love what you are going to do. I am my own rules to make these classes interesting as much as I can, and inshallah I will do it for all of you. And how you will manage your exam time. Again, how you are going to manage the exam time is the key of your success. Slowly, potentially guide you. Where are your knowledge strength areas? All of us guys working different areas. Some of us project managers, some of us construction managers, some of us planning and cost. All of us, we have. Some of us have a strength in structure analysis. Some of us have a strength in fluid, some in test of material, some of us in soil. So now put your hand, where is my strength topics? Where is my strength in civil engineering topics? Potentially guide you. You have to put your hand right now. For me, I'm structure analysis and project management. And this is the key, my key success to my exam. I remember until now. all of you, you have to know where exactly the strengths, your strengths, and from this one, you are going to build. We are going to adopt a lot of techniques and approach to how to study and how to make the study time short and easy going. Number 4, guiding you how to study smart. I am going to guide you, don't worry. Soon, next class, inshallah, it will be 18. I sent in the WhatsApp, I send the schedule, and after this class, or maybe tomorrow morning, I am going to send material, the material for 18th exam, 18th May class, and I'm going to tell you, please, this file, print it hard copy and keep it in your desk, because we are going to solve together. We are going to solve together. I am going to send a lot of files through our WhatsApp. Please follow me in WhatsApp, and whatever I'm going to tell you, follow my instruction, because this is the success for you. This is the success steps for you. You are going to follow it and you are going to pass. Please, from next class, it will be 18th of May. We are going to have a lot of material I'm going to send today or tomorrow morning. Please follow me in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp is active, and please follow my instruction on it. طيب. Your strategy as a civil engineer is enhance first. Enhance your engineering sense. This is very important. What is a continuous beam? What is a frame look like? What is the truss system? What is the soil mechanics? What is the fluids? Enhance. Try to now to come back to the previous days, your history. And number 2, grab this opportunity and feel the art of civil engineering. Guys, architect and civil engineers, who one of them more art? Civil engineering more art. Our architect is just paint, but you are convert this paint to physical. This is the art of civil engineering. And project management knowledge, it's a beautiful journey. Yes, we are going to have it in 30 hours. We are going to enjoy a lot our where is the meeting? Where is the meeting? There is still one engineer now in WhatsApp. Meeting is on, class ongoing. Still now, guys, please try to follow WhatsApp. Try to follow class ongoing online now. Number 3, focusing in the areas which never worked as and practice on it. يعني مثلا, your example, you are working as a project engineer or site engineer. Project management, you are far away from project management. Okay, very good. Try to focusing in this area. Try to enhance, get it opportunity, because we are going to discuss about project management for 6 hours. And try to get whatever. It's beautiful knowledge and beautiful areas. Enhance yourself, focusing on it. Okay, or you are working scheduling. If you are working in scheduling, but you are not aware about structure design for steel design. Okay, focus in steel for structure and analysis, structural analysis and test of materials. This is a lot of areas to focus on. So make balance whatever you are working now and whatever you need to enhance. Number 4 is practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. This is our key. We have 400. Guys, really. Practice makes perfect. You are going to have 486 questions through the 18 exam. I am going to try to make it 20 exam, multiply 27 questions, mean 514 questions. You are going to Answer them. If you are going to answer them, all of these questions, what else you need? And you know what is the correct answer and why is the correct answer is correct answer. Why it's 20 number questions only, and you can pass if you got 14 over 27 score. Don't forget, it's 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Okay. Now, Mr. UPDA, what you have to do now? What you have to do now? You already went green. You already went green. You will know now that the knowledge is gold. Civil engineering knowledge, project management knowledge. This is really gold knowledge. Use it. Try to get this opportunity and try to put yourself in the studying mode, and try to get another certificate BMB after this. After this UPDA, get BMB, go green, go for quality management system. You are going to find a lot of interesting and a lot of fun as well. And it will enhance your career. You will see. You will see. Take that opportunity from this exam. Take it as a new start in your life. Whatever you are 30 years experience, whatever you are 5 years experience, you need knowledge. We need knowledge, guys. Okay. The structure of our class, our course outline, this is depend on civil engineering knowledge and education for any civil construction project which are what stages. We have first stage is pre-design phase. In pre-design phase, we have a lot of type of questions coming in pre-design phase. And we have design phase. And we have pre-construction phase. And we have construction phase. And we have post-construction phase. This any project, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phases. Okay. Our exams coming in these phases. In these areas, how? I will tell you. Project business need and the case, general discussion. We will discuss about it, and we have a lot of questions in this area. Business need, business case. Business need, business case. Business need and the business case, you will find a lot of questions coming in our exam in these areas. In these areas. Okay, very good. What second? Second is material design phase. When we have design phase, they are not going to give you a design questions to answer. No, they are going to give you a question in concrete material, steel, wood, and structure analysis, and soil mechanics and foundation, traffic engineering and roads, and fluid and hydraulics surveying. They are going to give you a question in these areas. Simple, tricky, 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Okay, very good. What else? Pre-construction, bidding, awarding contract, process, contract type. Okay. In construction phase, they are going to ask about project management and how in scope management, schedule management, and cost management and quality management. They are going to ask you in these areas. Post tender and all other quality, all other project management area, and the contract and the claim management. They are going to give you very simple questions in these areas. Don't worry, we will discuss in this details and you will love it, inshallah. Post-construction phase, we have general discussion about security approvals and service connection, about DC1, DC2, about building permits. You will see when you are going to remember last class. I am going to come back to these slides again. I will tell you, you remember when I told you in the introduction? Yes, okay. Let us go guys now. Now, you prepare, I told you, prepare pencil and prepare blank paper. Okay, we are going to have 10 or 15 questions right now. Let us see your score, all of you, how you are going to score. What is your score? Let us see. I am going to present some questions and I will explain the answer for it and try to answer it in 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Try to answer any. Some of them you need 5 seconds only. Some of them need 5 minutes. Let us see. Let us see. And this is from previous exams already. Already. Let us see your score. Let us see your score. All of you ready? Tell me ready. Tell me. Write it down. Ready? I want all of you try type it. Ready? Let us see. Ready? Very good. Very good. Very good. It's nice. It's nice. Very good. Okay. Yalla. Let's start. Very good. Let's start. Let's start, guys. Let's start. Let's start. Number 1. Very good. Very good. I am so happy that all of you communicate with me as much as we can in our online classes. Very good. Very good. Yalla. Let us see. Let us see. Okay. Start. Practice makes perfect. Number 1. Construction works should begin, question mark, 1 week before the official permission from the local authority. B, after the official permission from local authority. Number C, 1 day before the official permission from the local authority. I want to see your score. Write it down in your paper. Write it down. Write it down. And later on, we'll see the answer. Write it down right now. Don't SMS me. Write it down right now. I will give you a lot of techniques how you are going to solve this question. Okay. I will tell you from now. Okay. Any questions in our exam have 3 options or 4 options or multi, maybe 4 or 6 options. There is 2 options or 3 options, whatever. 2 options is far away from the topic we are discussing. And 2 of them, they are very near. Okay. Okay. You need to get the right answer in 2 minutes, 13 seconds. What is the correct answer? Write it down. Write it down. You have 2 minutes, 13 seconds, but this is need 10 minutes, 10 seconds, sorry. Need 10 seconds only. Construction work should begin. Logic. The answer is B. Correct? The answer is B. Very good. The answer is B. After the official permission from local authority, what we call it, building permit. Building permit. Type DC1, DC2, they are not work permit. The building permits. They are not building permits. DC1, DC2, we'll discuss later, but the answer is B. Type. Question number 2. Okay. What is the type of bond guarantees? I believe question number 1, all of you guys scored it correct, B. But let us see too. If all of you answer question number 2 correct, we will go for 5-star hotel dinner in Eid holiday. What is the type of bond guarantees that if contractor goes broke on a project, the surety will pay the necessary amount to complete the job? Bid bond, be careful, huh? Performance bond, acceptance bond, and payment bond. Okay, there is magic words, 2 options far away, 2 options near to each other to the correct answer, and the magic words. Always, guys, look for the magic words. Magic words in our question. Okay, I'm giving you now magic words. Study smart. Answer smart. What is the type of the bond guarantees that if the contractor goes broke on a project, the surety will pay the necessary amount to complete the job? If all of you answer this question correct, we will go for 5-star hotel from my pocket in Eid holiday. All of you. Okay. Write it down the answer. All of you. Show me the answer. Write it down. Write it down. خلاص. Thank you very much. B or D? B or D? D. Okay. D. Oh, D. Oh, D. D. Oh, D. D, guys, are you sure? B, خلاص. Thank you very much. We have Bella, Biali, B. Okay, the answer is wrong. The answer is wrong. So I know it's wrong, guys. So no 5-star hotel. The answer, guys, is D. Payment bond. Okay, why? I will explain. I will explain to you. Guys, we have here goes broke. The contractor goes broke. What does it mean goes broke? That meaning bankrupt, or he cannot pay his liability. He cannot pay salary. He cannot pay for his subcontractor. He cannot pay for suppliers. He cannot. Okay. But his performance is good. He could be ahead of schedule, high quality product, everything, but he cannot pay his liability. Performance bond is not for the liability. Bid bond, a first answer pay, BED, is wrong, even copy paste from the previous exam. I am telling you, BED, spelling even, should be BID, and even bid bond, this is not a stage. Your answer A is wrong, totally wrong. Answer C as well, acceptance bond is totally wrong. So now we have B and we have D. A performance bond is submitted to make sure that you are following the scope, you are doing on right time, you are doing quality as specs, you are doing as QCS 2014, you are doing as the contract what telling you to do. This is a performance bond. But payment bond, the surety is not bank. The surety is insurance company. Okay. Performance bond issued by bank. The surety issued by insurance company. Now, you understand now why the answer is D? Because this is not, is the surety it's not bank. Bank is performance bond. Surety is insurance company. And the contractor cannot pay his liability. He cannot pay his liability. He has payment. Now the answer. Don't forget, guys, a lot of engineers forgot the answer, and this is from previous exam. The answer is D. Now, a lot of engineers now 2/2 correct. A lot of engineers now 1/2 correct. Let us see. Don't worry. We have just only trial today, and it will be just only a refreshment to put yourself in the right mood of studying. Okay. Number 3. No, I don't understand the logic. Performance bond is for when the contractor cannot perform the contract. Perfect. If he goes broke, he cannot perform the no. No. I will tell you. You are working in multinational companies in Qatar. Okay, they need to work as a multi-project, a high national project, and this national project have a lot of joint venture companies. Okay, very good. Performance bond is, first of all, if you are taking advance payment, if you are not even taking advance payment, you have to submit your performance bond for some particular project. But if you have advance payment, you have to submit your performance bond. But if you have even some contract, if you are even not advance payment, you have to submit your performance bond. A lot of condition for the contract in FIDIC. Performance related to your performance. Goes broke means what? You cannot pay your liabilities. My baby, you are ahead of the schedule. Who told you? You are ahead of the schedule. You are having your product, final product, or even your activities or whatever product is high quality products. It's comply with the specification and comply with the QCS 2014 and the contract conditions. Who knows? You are ahead. That's meaning what? But you cannot pay salary. Suddenly you goes broke through the project. Any company could be have goes broke, and even they are ahead of the project, ahead of time, ahead of schedule, and they are goes broke. What is the problem? It's happened. It's happened. So now, who will cover this liability? Who will cover this liability? Surety. Surety here. The surety will pay. The surety will pay. What's the meaning surety? Surety meaning insurance company. Insurance. Insurance. It's not bank. Insurance. Third party. Third party to be in to pay all the necessary amount of this payment under insurance. So the guy, the contractor, he have to be insured by a third party. You got now? I believe. Can you repeat again with the payment bond? I told you the payment bond. It's okay now, clear guys? I can repeat it now. I can repeat it now. Surety is not bank. Performance bond is issued by bank. It's not insurance company. It's not insurance company. Okay. The answer is D. Okay. Number 3. When a T-beam span over several supports continuously. Okay, again, let me check. Mostly, we are not collecting payment bond from subcontractors. Yes, we are not, because actually, is this a condition for a special project? It's not all over, it's not any project, not any contract. Some contract, some national project, they have such as what? They have such as such as condition, especially when you have multinational companies, they are working for national project, like underground, for Qatar here. This underground, they have this, then anyone work in underground project or train project, underground, whatever the underground project, which is already almost done, all the lines, I believe, done. Anyone work in this type of project, they have concealed, they have some conditions in the contract. The contractors should submit, should have an insurance, a payment bond from surety, from insurance company, that if they are not paying their liabilities, the insurance company, they are going to cover all these liabilities. And this contractor should pay for this insurance company regularly or whatever. Okay? Right. Number 3, when a T-beam span over several supports continuously, then the beam at mid-span should be designed as number 1. Simply supported, flange section, rectangular section, pre-stress beam. Pre-stress beam. When a T-beam, we have T-beams, we have structure now. We have a structure. What's the meaning T-beam and supports over supports? Okay. Simply supported, flanged section, rectangular section, pre-stress. Okay, we have 2 options near to each other, and we have 2 options far away from each other. Okay. Perfect, guys. The answer is flanged. Why flanged? Why flanged? The answer B, correct. Flanged, I will tell you why. I will tell you why right now.